Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Do you always find yourself opening Google Meet in a browser tab every single time you want to join a meeting? Well, what if you could open Google Meet directly from your desktop, just like a normal application on your computer? Yes, you actually can, and the setup is super quick and easy. So let's get right into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome opens, go to the Google Meet website. At the top, inside the address bar, type meet.google.com and then press enter. Now give the page a few seconds to fully load. All right, once the Google Meet homepage appears, look toward the top right side of the address bar. You should see a small install icon that looks like a computer screen with a downward arrow. That icon allows you to install Google Meet as a progressive web app. Go ahead and click on it. Immediately, Google Chrome will display a small pop-up asking whether you want to install Google Meet. Now simply click Install. And just like that, Google Meet is now installed on your Windows PC or laptop as a desktop app. Very simple. You can now launch Google Meet directly from your desktop, your Start menu, or your Apps list without first opening browser tabs or searching for the website. And when you open it, Google Meet runs in its own separate window, giving you a much cleaner and more app-like experience. You can even right-click the app and pin it directly to your taskbar, so you can access your meetings even faster anytime you need them. No extra browser tabs, no distractions, just quick and easy access to Google Meet whenever you need it. This is especially useful for students, teachers, office workers, remote teams, and anyone who attends online meetings regularly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.